teachers and learners. Ginny and Eva love each other very much. They decided to start a family together. Ginny and Eva had 4 children: Bong, June, Cherry, and Maggie. Bong, June, Cherry, and Maggie all went to Florentino Camakin Elementary School, the same school where their mom and dad went. They loved their school very much. Just a few years later, Ginny and Eva had another baby. It was a baby girl, and they named her Eve Joy, after her mom. Eve Joy grew up to be a lovely, beautiful girl. People around her called her Ivy. Ivy also went to Florentino Camakin Elementary School, just like her brothers and sisters. She loved the school too. At school, she excelled in academics, sports, music, and many other activities. Ivy graduated with distinction. Ivy was the athlete of the year. And Ivy was also the outstanding Girl Scout. Ivy was also awarded as the best in piano. As a matter of fact, Ivy also went to Hawaii to sing together with the Ilocos Norte Children's Choir and to Disneyland, California. For high school, Ivy went to Luwag City and attended the MMSU Laboratory High School. Ivy becoming a lawyer, just like her dad. Ivy went to Centro Escolar University and pursued a degree in AV Political Science. Ivy then continued her law studies at San Beda College of Law. There, Ivy met Sara Duterte, the future Vice President of the Philippines. Ivy and Sara were friends and classmates. But life had a different plan for Ivy. Instead of becoming a lawyer, Ivy received an even bigger blessing. She got to have a family full of love and happiness. One day, Ivy met Herman, her very own mighty knight in shining armor. Ivy